Hey guys, today we got something for you. A 3D printed motor oil case. So by the way, this is made by E-Likha Printing Hub, and they make 3D printed items for your Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive, such as cooling fan for chargers, portaweight upgrades, motor case, battery holder, and much more. So let's get started. So let's open this. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, we have a calling card and the product itself. So let's remove the cover and see what's inside. Wow, my first impression is it's very light, and I like the color. It's like cyan or light blue color. And by the way, guys, there's a lot of colors to choose from. Okay, and what else? The plastic, it's it's fine. Not too thick, not too thin. Okay, so let's talk about the appearance. It's very small. It's very light. The design is simple. I like it, and it can hold up to 4 motor oils. Now let's try putting some. Shout out to Sonic Boom and Chaos Drop. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, let's put one more. Okay, it's nice because you can still see some of the label on your motor oil, so it doesn't block the label, so you can still see what are you going to use. Okay, like Sonic and Chaos. Okay. For the price, this one costs 325 pesos. It's very affordable. Okay, you can message them if you want to order, or you can visit their Lazada or Shopee page. All right, so there you have it, a quick unboxing and product review of the 3D printed motor oil case. And I hope you learned something from it. If you like it, just message E-Likha or visit their Shopee or Lazada page and then purchase one. And I'm sure you're going to like this. Now, the only cons that I see on this product is that it can only hold up to 4 motor oils. If you're using a lot of or different motor oils, you might purchase another one. So there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time. See ya.